हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। डिस्कस करते हैं द हिंदू एडिटोरियल एनालिसिस। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। एन इंडियन स्टेट वांट्स। जब भी कोई न्यूज़पेपर का हेडलाइन होती है हमेशा सिंपल प्रेजेंट में यूज करते हैं, राइट। एन इंडियन स्टेट वांट्स टू टैकल, टैकल मतलब हैंडल करना। एन इंडियन स्टेट वांट्स टू टैकल हेट स्पीच विथ लॉ। कैन इट वर्क? कैन ए लॉ हेल्प कर्ब, कर्ब मतलब यहाँ पे ठीक करना या बचाना। कैन ए लॉ हेल्प कर्ब हेट स्पीच इन इंडिया? दैट इज व्हाट द साउदर्न स्टेट ऑफ कर्नाटका इज betting on. Last month, legislators passed a bill which aims to prevent hate speech and hate crimes that fuel communal tension or target individuals and groups. Hate speech is not new in India. Hate speech is not new in India, but it has intensified in recent years as social media has spread. अच्छा, हैश के बाद हम भीतरी लगाते हैं तो स्प्रेड, क्या इसका भीतरी स्प्रेड ही होती है? हाँ, ये स्प्रेड का भीतरी स्प्रेड ही होती है, तो हैश स्प्रेड ठीक है। एंड टेलीविजन चैनल्स एम्पलीफाई कमेंट्स एंड रिएक्शंस। A report last year found hate speech against minorities, mainly Muslims, rose 74% in 2024, peaking during the national elections. That's why the Karnataka government, led by the Congress party, says the move is necessary. Move मतलब यहाँ कदम, move is necessary, arguing that hate speech can lead to real life violence. कैन के बाद हमेशा V1 लगाते हैं, राइट। That hate speech can lead to real life violence, but critics warn this could come. could के बाद भी V1 लगाते हैं तो could come, ठीक है, at the cost of civil liberties and free speech. The Karnataka Hate Speech and Hate Crimes Prevention Bill 2025, which still needs the state governor's sign to become law, sets out how hate speech cases should be investigated. should के साथ हम V1 लगाते हैं, अगर should के साथ B लगा तो V3 लगाते हैं, ठीक है। should be investigated and prosecuted. It defines hate speech as any expression which is made, published or circulated in public view, verbally, in print, television or social media. But it also defines a hate crime as the communication of hate speech without specifying whether it needs to lead to violence or not. The bill gives the state government the power to order social media and digital platforms to take down content it deems hate speech, something only the federal government can do currently. India does not India doesn't have a federal law against hate speech, but a number of provisions across laws prohibit certain forms of speech, writing, and actions as exceptions to free speech. This includes criminalization of acts that could promote enmity between different groups on grounds of religion, and deliberate and malicious act intent to outrage religious feelings of any class by insulting its religion or religious beliefs.